Understanding Sizzle and Smoke, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating English phrases, sizzle and smoke. These terms are not only common in everyday language but also rich in imagery and meaning. Let's dive in and understand what they truly signify. The word sizzle is often used to describe a sound, particularly the sound of something frying or cooking on a hot surface. It's a form of onomatopoeia, meaning the word mimics the sound it describes. But sizzle isn't just about sound. It's also about excitement and energy. When we say something sizzles, we might mean it's lively, exciting, or attention-grabbing. For instance, the movie sizzles with action and drama. Moving on to smoke. At its most basic, smoke is the visible vapor released when something burns. However, in English, smoke can have several metaphorical meanings. It can signify confusion or deception, like in smoke and mirrors, or it might mean to perform exceptionally well, as in she smoked the competition. Also, smoke can be a colloquial term for cigarettes in certain contexts. When used together, sizzle and smoke can convey a sense of intense activity or excitement. It suggests a scenario that's dynamic and full of energy, perhaps even a bit chaotic or overwhelming. This combination can be applied to various contexts, from cooking to sports, and even to describe highly charged social or political situations. I hope this video helps you understand the nuances and applications of sizzle and smoke in English. These phrases are not just about literal meanings but also about the emotions and imagery they evoke. Keep exploring the richness of the English language, and you'll find it sizzles with endless possibilities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.